Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we have the return of the works.co.uk. This is a UK company and they have launched some really beautiful crystal creations. Now in here I've got two crystal creations and it's going to be one of my favourite butterflies. Got to have a good old butterfly, and another one is a really good one. We've also got the return of a card as well, so very exciting. So we'll get into this. And how best can we get into this? That's the question. Can we do it? Yeah, so I'll tell you what, we'll turn it around this way and then I'll just cut that down there. Oh, so exciting. I've been waiting for this since the weekend, so oh, look at this. Oh yes, very good. Look, they've elasticated it for us, so let's get into there. We'll take that over for one side and we'll go into, these are really big by the way. Oh my god, this is massive. Okay, first of all we're going to go into one of the crystal creations, and they've got a special offer on. You know, I've been banging on about that dolphin. Well, there it is. And they've got a special offer. You can get 2 for £12, which is what I did, or you can get 3 for 15 quid, or they're £7 each, and I had to get this. Really good. The thing is with their newsletters is they don't always tell you about diamond paintings. So with me, I check every week. If there's anything I like the fancy, I'll order it. But if there's nothing on that week, then I'll just wait till the following week. You always have to keep like checking to see if there's anything else. And oh, ain't you getting the Free Willy vibe here? Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Oh look. Oh, very interesting. So these are like our pastel colours, but they've provided one of them has got a crystal. So I'm wondering, that looks like it might be that colour there, because obviously it's water, isn't it? So obviously these ones don't come with trays, because the idea is you open them up and then you put them all in there to do it. But I much prefer trays, because when you push down hard on them, they tend to jump. But that is gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? Oh wow, I love it. I'll try not to make a cock up with the thing again. But yeah, I think the idea is them crystal ones is to give it like a reflection in the water maybe. But I'm so getting the Free Willy vibe. You know, where Free Willy, Kiko the Wow, who actually played the orca in the film, he jumps over that rock and he's set free. But I just love it. We don't get, there's a fly there. Ugh. We don't get many dolphins crop up, and I fell in love with this. I had to get it. Had to get it. This is a partial, so obviously all around here is partialed, and then we're doing like the actual dolphin itself, and then you've got that splash of water, and you get the river as well. So that is just beautiful. I really like that. And then I'm not going to take the colours out, but you can pretty much see there our colours that we're working with. So very over the moon with that. It's been an agonising 3 days to get this. I'm really happy. And the thing is, I've already got like a workshop. I've got the works in Braintree. There's a shop, but they don't do a big enough range. They don't seem to do the crystal creations. Then I thought, let's go back to the card, because Liz Harrison has been buying cards and it's really made me want to get into cards again. So we done a parrot last year, if you remember, Jasper. And I saw this one and I thought that could be his twin brother. I'll think of a name of some sort. And yeah, this is a really lovely one. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And this one's actually got like flecks of white in it, flecks of feather in it. So let's get this. I think you can just, yeah, normally they just tear off. And obviously there's the website if you want to order from there. And in here, these cards, they're really lovely done. They're nice and thick. And you can see here, you get a lovely thick card. So this is going to be beautiful. Again, it's a partial, very similar design as Jasper. Sorry, you can't see that. Very similar design as Jasper. We sort of had the same sort of contour there, but it's a totally different one. And as you can see from Craft Buddy, they must have an affiliation with the works. And then you get yourself an envelope. I never send mine out. What I tend to do is I cut this part off and it gets hot glued to my wall. But I'm really loving this card. I think it's an absolute beauty. So yeah, that's the card, and we'll put that to one side. We also get ourselves the lovely crystal art pen there, and we've got some baggies and a tray, so well done. And then these are our drills, and again it's one of them ones where we've got a mixture of drills. We've got ourselves a very lovely mixture. We have, oh yes, a very lime green crystal one. We've got a few plain drills, an orange, sort of pastel colours going on here, that very gorgeous pink, and then we've got a burgundy, a blue, a sort of snowy white, grey white there, a yellow, a very vibrant red, a darker sort of red, again a very dull grey sort of colour there, a few greys, because they're obviously going to be like the feathers of the parrot, a red, a grey and a black. So I think that's going to turn out really nice. And then you know my love for butterflies, so I had to get this. This was really, really beautiful, and I was like, I do a hell of a lot of butterflies, but I cannot say no to this. It's really, really good. I think that might be the tiger moth butterfly, because of the orange and black in it. We do have a species in the UK, which is a tiger, something or other, and oh wow, look at that. It looks 10 times bigger, doesn't it? And again, you've got the same offer, 2 for 12 or 3 for 15. I always go for I was going to get the 3 for 15, but they've got a wolf on there, and I'm debating whether to get the wolf or not, because I've got, it's something about the wolf I don't like. I don't know why. But yeah, look, very pastel sort of colours going on here. Oh, this is going to be very, very vibrant. Really, really gorgeous indeed. And look at that. I'll keep this one in here this time, but it does have a photo thing on the back so you can stand it up. But isn't that gorgeous? It's lovely and big as well. It's really, really, really massive. And yeah, another butterfly to add to my big butterfly collection. But the flowers around here, I mean the moth, sorry, the butterfly, not moth, very similar. I can get confused. That vibrant orange, as you can see here and here, that's really going to pop against that dark purple. But this is a lovely, lovely card. So, sorry, a lovely painting. So, also what I like about them is you can store them like a book. So you can put that on your shelf until you're ready. Once they're done, I do chuck all the excess away. I don't keep them. But let me know what's your favourite. Is it the butterfly? Is it the little card? Or is it this lovely, gorgeous dolphin? I really, really thoroughly love this. I think it's absolutely fantastic. So I had to chuck in at Works, and yeah, they've got some really good ones. So yeah, I thought we'd have a little bit of a break from Temu. We seem to be doing Temu quite a lot, and it just depends on what company has what I fancy. But yeah, I can't wait to dive into this, and it just brings back so many memories of Free Willy. But until then, please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you like what you see in this video and you want to get these for yourself, head over to the Works. I'll put the link in the description. You do have to be quite quick because they will sell out, and once they sell out, they don't tend to bring them back. So be very, very quick. But yeah, until next time, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future uploads. And I'll see you very soon for another unboxing. From who? We'll have to wait and see. Take care. Catch you later.